Good morning, children. Here I am Arundhati ma'am teaching you science in your class. We are doing chapter number 4 in common insects, and just we have done the introduction of the different types of insects, few examples, and the insect around us. Today we are going to study about the very important part, that is the body parts of the insect. So all of you open to page number 34, which says about the body parts of an insect. First, I'll read through it and then I'll explain. All insects have three-part pairs of legs. Some of them have wings, one or two pairs. Insects do not have bones inside their body like we do. They have hard outer covering made of a substance called chitin. The spelling is chitin, chitin, but it is pronounced as chitin, which protects their soft internal organs. So insects mostly have three pairs of legs. Some of them have wings, some of them do not have, like the ant doesn't have any wing, but the mosquito, the cockroaches, the dragonfly, the butterfly, they have wings. Wings, they can have one or two pair. One means two wings, one pair means two wings, two pair means four wings. They do not have bones, as the mammals all have bones inside our body. We have a skeleton with the bones. They do not have bones. They have a hard outer covering of a substance called chitin. The covering is hard, which helps them to protect themselves from other external calamities, which protects their soft internal organs. Now we are going to study about the body parts of the insects. The body of the insect is divided into three main parts: the head in front, the thorax in the middle, and the abdomen at the last. Here the picture of the insect is given and you have to look through it thoroughly. See, the front portion is the head, the middle portion is the thorax, and the end portion is the abdomen. In the head, under the section of the head, lies the antenna and the eyes. Then in the thorax portion lies the pairs of legs. Last is the abdomen portion, where they have the wings, the third pair of legs, and the second pair of legs are also there in the abdomen portion. So three parts of the body of an insect: the head, thorax, and abdomen. So body of an insect is divided into three sections: head, thorax, and abdomen. Just now I have explained it in details. What does the head contains? Head contains the eyes, mouth parts, and the antenna, that is the feelers. Each kind of insects has different type of mouth parts based on what it eats. Insects use their feelers to feel, hear, smell, taste, and so on. So the head contains the eyes, the mouth parts, and the antenna, that is the feelers, through which with the feelers they feel, hear, smell the dangers, the food, their way of the path, and so on. Their mouths are of different type, of what type food they are having, whether they are sucking the nectar, or whether they are biting the seeds, or whether they are eating up the other small leaves or anything like that. It depends upon all these. So till head we have done. We'll continue next time.